All right, let's be real for a second. One of the most frustrating parts of running outreach isn't sending emails. It's finding the leads in the first place. If you've ever tried building business leads, it's probably one of the hardest things to do, right? Every single company needs them. You already know how painful that process is, and you know how painful that process is going to keep getting. You open Google Maps, search for a business category, click listings one at a time, copy names, copy phone numbers, try to find websites, maybe search for an email address. If you're lucky, you'll find it. Then paste everything into a spreadsheet. Repeat the process for hours. It's slow, it's repetitive. And honestly, I'm making this video because it's the kind of work that burns people out before they even start marketing. And that's exactly why I wanted to check out Lead Sniper. Okay, they have a Google Maps scraper, which is absolutely insane. I've tested it, it works. And the idea behind it is simple. Instead of manually collecting leads yourself, the software automates the entire process. You enter a niche, you enter a location, and the tool starts pulling business data directly from Google Maps. So I spent some time testing it. And in the video, I'm going to show you now exactly how it works, why so many people are using it for lead generation, and why I believe this changed my entire business outlook. Lead Sniper works as a browser extension, which means there's no complicated software setup involved. It supports both Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, so you can use whichever browser you prefer. Installation is really, really quick. You add the extension, you activate it, and you're pretty much ready to start. Now, before we get into the actual scraping process, there's one feature I think has to get attention. Everyone I've spoken to about this company misses this best feature. Most people don't realize how important keywords are, right? When you're scraping Google Maps, because the search terms you use directly affect the quality of the leads you're going to get back. If your keywords are weak, your results will be weak too. People know this for YouTube. People know this for Google, but people forget it when they go into Google Maps. Lead Sniper includes a keyword generator that helps you build better search variations automatically. So instead of sitting there trying to think of every possible keyword yourself, the tool helps generate additional ideas for you that you can use instantly. That means broader coverage, better targeting, more leads overall. Now, once you're ready to scrape, the process is honestly very straightforward. You open the extension panel and you paste in the searches. You can either enter multiple keywords or single keywords. It's up to you. For example, roofers in Dallas, restaurants in New York, dentists in Tokyo, gyms in Sydney. Whatever niche you want to target, you just then click start. And the software immediately begins scanning Google Maps and extracting business information in real time. What impresses me the most was the speed. The lead count increases incredibly fast while the scraper is running. Within minutes, you can actually easily generate hundreds of even thousands of businesses leads, depending on your searches. If you're running multiple browser instances using additional licenses, you can scale the process hugely. It's going to be so fast for you. Now, when the scrape is complete, exporting everything is so easy, I promise you. I know this used to be the hardest part of a job. You can download your leads as a CSV file or Excel spreadsheet, and the data itself is surprisingly detailed. You're not just going to get business names, you're also collecting phone numbers, business website, addresses, social media profiles, review information, and in a lot of cases, email addresses, which are so hard to find. The reason it can get that is because it doesn't just search the Google Maps listing. It searches the website connected to the Google Maps to find an email suitable for you to contact. It's amazing. Lead Sniper actually scans the entire business ecosystem to get all the information for you, not just the listing of Google Maps. That alone can save a massive amount of manual work. You can agree with that, right? Especially if you're doing cold email outreach. Now, let's talk about the pricing, because you're probably thinking this is going to cost me thousands of dollars every single month. No, this is a one-time purchase per tool. If you buy multiple tools, you're going to get a bulk discount, which is absolutely insane. You don't pay every single month like you do with other subscriptions. You don't pay more for more leads. You don't generate 1,000 leads and then get told, I'm going to charge you now to generate another 1,000. There's no cap on leads. Lead Sniper takes a completely different approach to everyone else. Instead of monthly fees, it's a one-time fee, like I said. One key for one tool starts at $149. That's $149 for a tool forever. Buy it once, you keep using it. No recurring subscriptions, no monthly lead limits, no restrictions on how many businesses you can scrape. And before you buy it, guess what? They'll let you try it for free. There's a free trial available, and you can also get a free trial for the full product. That is unbelievable and unheard of in the space. So instead of testing a limited demo, you can actually get to experience the software properly before making a decision to purchase. Now, if you're planning to scale, they also offer a bundled discount, like I said. If you purchase more than 10 keys, the discount can go as high as 70%. So the more licenses you buy, the lower the price becomes per key. That's especially useful for agencies, sales teams, businesses doing outreach at scale. At the end of the day, this tool solves a very real problem. Manual lead generation takes too much time, and time is expensive. Lead Sniper turns that process that normally takes hours into something you could do in minutes. You get organized, spreadsheets filled with business contact data, all pulled directly from Google Maps, ready for outreach immediately. If you're doing local marketing or agency prospecting or cold email campaigns, this is definitely a tool you need to look at. If you want to try it yourself, check out the links in the description below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give me a like and a subscribe. If you enjoy discovering tools that actually save time and help you grow a business, guys, I'm going to be making videos like this all the time. So your support does mean a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.